This is where we are going to mount our panel. This 100 by 100 cable tray. Although it is welded, in the case whereby you don't need the welded joint, you are supposed to use unistrut to hang our cable tray. But in this case, there is no unistrut, so we weld with a rod and attach to the cable tray. We are doing the preparation for the armor cable. Other armor cable is running right there. Armor cable is running down there. Let's go here. So let me check the train. You study that cable and you tell us. Excuse me. So this is our intention. Our intention is to run this train there. We'll take it up. We are going to cut this place. We cut here so that our tray will lock. Look at the way this one lock. You can see it lock inside. Just take it up a little bit. By the time we cut, our cable will pass through this place. Then we are using this board as an insulator. But there's a tongue here. All of the welding there. So we are using this one as an insulator, so that we can mount our gadgets. Then after that, we start our termination. So we are going to quick cable belt every cable that is coming here. That is why we raise. There's a space under, so that you can use your cable belt to belt whatever that is coming through this train. So thank you. Just follow us, subscribe, so that you will know the procedure of our job. Thank you.